Good trouble from the NBA bubble on Wednesday. The top 10 plays of the
LeBron and got it, banks it in.
Difficulty late in the shot.
Jaw-dropping Beal there. Three. Fade away out of bounds. Using glass.
Number 9. The
LeBron against Green. Shot clock at 6. No help here. LeBron puts it up in town. James has 14 points.
Still got at number 8.
Here comes Curry. Curry to the basket. Foul. Shots good and one. Another brilliant ball handling. Barely small.
Big. Number 7 comes to his
Surrounded. Another turnover. Here comes Curry. Curry to the basket. Foul. Shots good and one. Largest lead of the first half. Another brilliant ball handling move from Curry.
dog millionaire. 6, but maybe
The inbound. Back to Doncic. Doncic pulls up. Three-pointer. Bang! Bang! It's good! Doncic wins the game at the buzzer! Let's go! Luka Doncic!
Terrence Ross. Number 5, Chris.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! With 0.6 of a second remaining. The brilliant shooting of Stephen Curry continues. And he ties the NBA record with his...
The vertical. Number 4.
LeBron and got it, banks it in.
Wow. I told you, Kevin, you got to card that.
Sometimes you toss. Number 3.
Screen by DeAndre. Capella switched on to Luka. Luka with the step back three. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
And then just one more for the rodeo. And you
Number 2, Hulu.
James Green, shot clock at 6. No help here. LeBron puts it up in town. James has 14 points.
Number 1.
Iguodala to Curry.